In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and order custom t-shirts with Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know how to start a t-shirt project, personalize it with your own text and graphics, fine-tune the look, and either download a print-ready file or order the shirt directly. You can do this on the web or mobile, and if you're prompted to sign in, just use your existing account so you can save your work along the way. First, open Adobe Express, click Create New, and select T-shirt. This sets up a canvas sized for apparel printing, so your design sits comfortably in a standard print area. Think of this canvas as your digital shirt front. Keeping your design centered and not too close to the edges will help it print cleanly and look professional. Next, decide whether you want to start with a template or a blank canvas. Templates are great if you want a head start. They come with coordinated fonts, colors, and layout ideas you can tweak instantly. Browse styles that match your theme: events, teams, gifts, or small business branding. If you prefer total control, choose a blank canvas and build everything from scratch. Now add content to your t-shirt design. Use text for names, slogans, or taglines, and adjust size and alignment so it's easy to read at a glance. Bring in images, icons, or logos from your device or the built-in libraries. For best results, use high-resolution images and transparent PNG logos, which sit cleanly on fabric. If elements overlap, use the Arrange options to move items forward or backward and keep your layout tidy. Smart guides and snapping can help you align everything with precision. Customize colors, fonts, and layout to match your vision. Choose colors with strong contrast against the shirt color so text and graphics stand out. Try pairing a bold headline font with a simpler secondary font and keep spacing generous so the design breathes. If text blends into the background, add a subtle outline or shadow to improve readability. Duplicate your design to test variations quickly and stay within the safe print area so nothing gets cut off. Remember, simple, high-impact graphics often print best on fabric. When you're ready, click Download or Order T-shirt. If you're downloading, choose a high-quality PNG with a transparent background or a PDF suitable for printing, and double-check spelling and alignment. If you're ordering, follow the prompts to select shirt color, size, and quantity. Review the preview carefully and confirm your order. That's all there is to it. Start simple, refine thoughtfully, and you'll have a custom t-shirt you're proud to wear or share.